What you say is your name? What you say is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? Good morning, sir. My name is Troy Gibbons. I'm here in Ocherios. I'm here in Ocherios. Mobile me live. See my vehicle here. Mobile me live. Me not run no taxi. No yellow sign no there here, so. No yellow line. Bus stop, the business place. Me go buy a cup of tea. See there? Me and my wife. Town me a come from. Cup of tea and something. And there was a beamer man parking here obstructing the traffic. Them not doing nothing at all. And because I'm a taxi man, that is why this man. What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? Corporal Williams. Okay. What's the purpose, sir?
Sir, I'm going to issue a ticket for parking 40 feet within a bus stop. That's what I'm going to do.
So why you never ticket the other man a while ago?
Look here.
Why you didn't ticket the BMW man that was there? Anyone was here when the Beamer man was here? Were you here? Anyone was here when the Beamer man a block off here, sir? Was anyone here when the Beamer man blocking off here, sir? What? We can't back with one another. Eh? We can't back with one another. Why never ticket the Beamer man? Me go use the business place, sir. The business place me go use. So why never ticket the Beamer man? We park long way, sir. Eh? Eh? Why never do that? Where you see it? Okay. Why you never do the Beamer man that? Me tired of uno now, man. Tired of uno now. Me tired of uno now. Why you never ticket the Beamer man? Troy Gibbons my name. Why you never ticket the Beamer man? Or pressure the Beamer man? You tell him to go, you not even talk to him. Once you see who the person was, you just allow him to drive up. Me stand up right at the doorway and watch him now. Me stand up right at the doorway. Right at the doorway and me see everything will take place. You allow the Beamer man to drive off, so you're supposed to give me the same privilege. The same privilege you give the Beamer man, me supposed to have that privilege. If you are going to ticket him, you ticket me. If you are going to ticket me, ticket him. You can't want to ticket me because he's a Beamer man and he's a taxi operator. Which me not even an operator taxi. Me and my wife are go about with business, we stop to get a cup of tea. And the man want to come tell me, say, I don't see a sign where say no parking. You only don't park at where a yellow line is. And there may a white line. See the bus stop there? It is my vehicle. It is Troy Gibbons.
Sir, now I said the last time you document.
Why you want to give me a ticket when you didn't ticket the Beamer man?
I said, look here.
Yeah.
The police have discretion with me, so you can't.
But you use a discretion on him, so why don't you use a discretion on me as well? What you mean suppose? What you mean suppose? So why did you use a discretion on that man? Because he's a BMW man or a police officer like yourself? So why you never do that, man? The same thing. And that's the question me ask you, my boss. That's the question I'm asking. You say you use your discretion. Me understand that. Use your discretion. I ask, me begging. Say, boss, maybe me a go. Me stop and get a cup of tea, me and my wife. Me a beg you a chance. The man never beg more and gun in vehicle and in gone. You use your discretion then, why can't you use your discretion now? That's the question I'm asking you. Why can't you use your discretion, sir? Why can't you use your discretion, sir? Me not take no ticket today, so you have to arrest me. Same like how you give that man in discretion, use it on me as well.
This station.
I will do that.
Look here,
No, she can't.
No, look here. Alright.
You're not in uniform. Don't approach me, sir. You're not in uniform. Don't approach me. You're not in uniform, sir.
No. Gonna arrest you?
What? Sir, you're assaulting me, sir.
Comply with the
No, the
police.
police tell me to go around at
Comply
the
with the
station.
police.
I'm saying me go around here. Sir, you're arresting.